What is good, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Paul and I make videos about Japanese society, life, and culture, and I also do sneaker videos. Today, being a midweek video, that means it's a sneaker video because I do have a pickup to share, and I am declaring it. This is the year of the dunks that sell out but don't have actual resale. I hit for 2 pairs of dunks before this one. I got the Setsubun Special Edition dunks and Year of the Rabbit dunks, both of which sold out in Japan but have no resale. Basically, they're basically going for retail on the resale sites like Sneaker Dunk and StockX and that kind of thing in Japan. So you still had to put your name into the raffle or into the draw to actually get the shoes because they are sold out, but no one's making any money off of them, which is fine. I got both of these for personals, so I'm totally cool with that. This one, though, I wanted to see in hand, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be sold on it or not, if it's going to be something that I'm going to want to keep. I hit on a raffle on Undefeated, which is how I got these. I believe these are actually reselling for under retail, so if I decide I'm not going to keep them, I'm going to lose a little bit of money on them, I guess, but that's no big deal. I have a hunch, given the colorway, I probably will have a difficult time giving them up. But let's get into the box. Okay, lifting out here, another red Nike box. And inside we have a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Reverse Brazil colorway. Now, as with so many different colorways, when they do any kind of reverse like this, it's never as popular as the OG. I had a pair of the other Brazils that I actually passed on because they were about a half size too big and I wanted to get something that's actually my size, but these, they look exactly in hand like they looked in the photos, so no surprises there. And it's pretty much, right out of the box you can tell it's the same kind of Nike Dunk Low quality that you're going to get on the Pandas, that you're going to get on all of the university colorways, etc. It's not like an amazing leather, amazing materials, but the colorway is executed pretty nicely. Now, I actually would like to know what your opinion is as to why these reverse colorways don't succeed. Is it merely because they're not the OG? Or is there something about the color blocking? Is there like a color blocking theory that suggests that when you have maybe the louder, brighter color being the swoosh and the mud guards around the side and etc., and then having the kind of more subdued color, in this case green, be the toe box and the side panels? I don't know, is that what's going on there? I mean, the sole is the same, like on the regular Brazil colorway, it's also green on the bottom, so that's not actually different. But you see this with like this pair of the white and red and this pair with the white and blue. Like if you reverse those colorways, they'd be really popular dunks, but as these, they're not really popular. So what is going on there? I don't know color theory, I don't know color blocking theory, I'm not sure why that would work, but honestly, I don't mind a little bit of a louder pop when it comes to what I wear on my feet, so I might end up keeping these. I don't know. They are my size, and I said at the beginning of the video that I might have trouble giving them up, and that's merely because they are not just a Brazil colorway, but they are a Green Bay Packer colorway. I'm from Wisconsin. I'm a huge Green Bay Packers fan, so this would be something I could wear on game day. They don't have to be super high quality to go to a Packer game. Quality control wise, I don't even need to pull out a black light to tell that there's a lot of glue staining around the sole, where the sole meets the upper. Basically, yeah, it's just, I could see all this glue all along here. Super mass produced dunk, and that's just the way Nike is making them. And as long as people are buying them like this, they're selling out, and things like the Pandas and a few other colorways have resale value to them as well. People are just going to keep going after them, and Nike doesn't have to you know, push itself to have better quality control. I mean, it's not something that you're going to see when I'm wearing them. Like, you're not going to look at my feet and be like, oh my god, look at all that glue staining. But, you know, it's something that you look at when you pull them out of the box and you have a pair of sneakers that you've been looking forward to getting, and they're like, man, I mean, you even got glue around the eyelets here. And I mean, just, you're not going to be able to see that, but I just hauled off a big wad of dried glue that was just up here between the laces. So yeah, don't expect anything amazing quality if you get your hands on these. They're not any better than any other Nike Dunk Low out there. These are just like the absolute standard. But I think it's a fun colorway. I don't need to have the OG Brazils if I have these. So it's certainly a lot cheaper for me to keep these than to try to buy a pair of those, considering that they're pretty high on resale at the moment. So let us know in the comments, are these a cop or a drop for you? What do you think of the reverse colorway? And also, if you can comment on why this kind of reverse colorway doesn't seem to work in terms of how much people like them or not, let us know, because I'm definitely curious about that. Alright, thanks for watching this particular pretty quick unboxing video, and I will catch you next time. Peace.